Good morning YouTube, this is Scott with InsideTheCurve.com, back with another video this morning for you. Today we are going to be working on how to use the Align tool and some of the great features of it. We're kind of going to take a step back inside the software here and kind of break down some of the key component tools inside this vectric ecosystem. Alright, so first I'm going to start out by drawing a couple basic circles on our workpiece here, just so you guys kind of get the understanding of how everything works together here. So you can see here I got 3 different diameter circles all over our workpiece. Our workpiece is defined by the white sheet here. So let's say I wanted to have this circle in the center, our origin here of the board. So we can select Align Selected Objects. So here it says Align a Material, and you have these arrows left, right, top, and bottom. So we have that one selected. We're going to align it to the center of the material, like so. Now it is aligned to the center. Then we can go ahead and do the same thing by selecting these and align to the center. Align to the center. And I drew 2 of these on accident. I'm going to delete one. So now you can see everything is aligned to our center point. That's great, but let's delete these. So now we're going to show you different couple other alignment tools inside here. So this one, it works the same way. Align inside the Align to Selection. So you have inside edge and outside edges. So what we can do here is if we select this object first, holding shift, clicking the next one, and let's say we want these here to be in the same plane, we can simply hit this button here. They already are. Let's move, okay, so let's move this over so you can kind of see the visual on that. I'm going to drag that over there, back into Align Tools, holding shift and clicking, and now you can see these edges are a perfectly straight line because we aligned our outside edges. Now if we wanted our top edges to be aligned on the inside edge, we'll hold that, and you can see we have that constraint here, which is already aligned to this side, and this constraint now here brings that up into the corner. I'm going to hit Control Z and I'm going to undo that so we can see a couple more things. So I'm actually going to move it all the way back over there. So the same thing again, holding shift and clicking our object's last selected item is going to align to. So inside edge, you can see it moved these edges over. And this is the same thing. This will offset the line thickness there. Selecting that one that way. So our outside edge is there. So you can see how that works. Bottom edge, of course, and top edge, all on the outside edge. So this is a great tool. I use it all the time. It helps you get your geometry in perfect alignment, obviously, without much measuring and thinking. Like I put in my first video of this kind of V-Carve vectric series. Of the switch from Fusion 360 to Aspire now, things are sketched much more quickly inside the vectric ecosystem. So hopefully this video is helpful going over this tool. I'm going to kind of break down some of these other tools into subcategory quick 4 or 5 minute videos that you can easily digest and get what you need from them. That way you're not watching a 2.5 hour video to get one tip or so. That way you can come back to it in case you have any struggles with it. As I said in some of my previous videos, I am putting a CNC course together. I'd be greatly appreciative if you subscribe for more information on that, and also can visit InsideTheCurve.com to get up on that list when it comes live and submit your questions of things you're wanting to learn in CNC related. So until next time, be well.